Train today, excel tomorrow. Welcome back, everyone. It's great to have you here. This past week we connected with the operations team twice. First, we discussed project chartering and customer journey mapping. A project charter is a document that outlines the scope of a project and its goals. It sets expectations for the project and helps to ensure that all stakeholders have a clear understanding of the project's objectives. Customer journey mapping is the process of creating a customer journey map, similar to a visual representation of a company's customer experience. It involves understanding the customer's needs, emotions, behaviors, and motivations at each stage of the customer journey. To get started with customer journey mapping, we discussed three main parts: journey mapping overview, journey management, and finally, customer insights and voice of the customer. First, we discussed journey mapping overview. This involves understanding customer needs and behaviors, as well as analyzing customer touchpoints and pain points. Next, we focused on journey management. This includes creating customer journey maps, analyzing customer feedback, and using customer journey maps to drive decisions. Finally, we discussed customer insights and voice of the customer. This involves collecting customer feedback, creating customer segments, and understanding customer sentiment. Now that these employees have a better understanding of project chartering and customer journey mapping, I provided them with some resources to help get started. We then got to work. Our meeting on customer journey mapping concluded. We discussed the importance of understanding customer journeys and how it can help us provide better customer experiences. We also explored the process of creating a customer journey map, the elements that should be included, and the types of touchpoints we should focus on. Finally, we discussed best practices for customer journey mapping and identified potential solutions to any pain points in our customer journey. Thank you for your active participation and inputs. Unlock your potential in an educational and corporate training environment. Elevate your skills in an educational and corporate training environment. Learn to lead in an educational and corporate training environment. Make your mark in an educational and corporate training environment. Reach your goals in an educational and corporate training environment.
If you visited the w.r.a.c website or have worked for this organization, you understand why this work is so important to each and every one of us. Please visit, follow, and subscribe to us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok at w.r.a.c Resumes. You can check us out on LinkedIn at w.r.a.c Resumes and Connections and follow the owner's personal page. You can also follow us on Twitter at w.r.a.c_resumes. We have a new Fab-Base page and a second TikTok page called Career Catcher where we discuss corporate training. Don't forget to check out our website. And be sure to email us any questions you may have.